That's a pretty dirty car you got there. Hi, this is Gilles, the radio prepper. And guess where we are? Well, we just went through a trail with the Toyota. And we are in Italy, actually. Don't ask me where exactly, I'm not quite sure, but I'll check the grid square because I'm here to test my Elecraft K1. I just finished my 30 and 80 meter filter board, and I'm going to test it. And I also finished the automatic tuner, so that's what I want to make sure that it actually works.
But what's this? This is a fish. Strange fish.
I have the QRP guys tri-band antenna as usual here, set up for 30 meters. I want to get a 7 meter pole to for a quarter wave on 30 meters, but for now I'm just going to use that. I need to verify that the switches are both on 30 meters, which they are. Here's the 6 meter pole. Tri-band antenna, coax cable, and maybe not the most usual place for a K1, but it sure works really well. Receiving anyway. I need to check the tuner now. I'm going to put the tuner first in just to check the SWR, and that's out. I need to go to tuner ATU, and I'm going to put it in CLS mode, which will show me the SWR. .2 to 1. I don't even need the tuner, but I want to try it. I'm going to put it in tune mode. There we go. And if I press the two buttons at the same time, it should tune, or maybe not tune because it's already good. Yeah, can't do any better than 1.2 to 1. Got him. Alright guys, really hot today. Well, this is a short video, but mine tend to be a little bit too long, so we're going to go back, well, not go back, go to the hotel and come back tomorrow. So I know the K1 works, I know the automatic tuner works, I know the Toyota LJ70 works. That thing is a beast, and so pretty good day overall. Well, looks like the hotel isn't half bad, so we'll be pretty well set tonight. What I should have done is bring my MPass system and attach it here, because we're on the last floor, so that would have been awesome, but of course I forgot. Back in France, nice operating position here with an excellent view. Look at this. Awesome, good opening to the south. Anyway, I am getting a bit of noise around 10, 1, 12, 13, 14. Maybe I should have installed that noise blanker, I'm not sure. Yeah, it's a big portion of the band. I think if I go below a certain frequency here though, I'll avoid it. 10106 is the QRP frequency on 10 meters. 30 meters, sorry, 10 megahertz, 10.1 megahertz. I can try a few calls. We'll see, try by hand first. Let's make sure nobody's using the frequency. Now, this K1 now has the 30 and 80 meter band. So the first band filter board I built had 20 and 40 meters. For prepping, it's important to have a day band and a night band. So 20 meters is a great day band, and 40 meters is also a great night band. And it also works during the day. So the reason I wanted to have 30 and 80 meters is because, well, 30 meters is also a very good day band. But it's a band that also works pretty much, I'm not going to say all the time, but a lot of the time. It's closer in behavior to the 40 meter band than it is to the 20 meter band. And the reason why I chose 80 meters, so 30-80 for this K1, is because 80 meters is an excellent night band and excellent for NVIS, near vertical incident skywave. So that's a very good reason to have 80 meters. I thought 80 meters would be, more difficult to set up portable, but it isn't, because if you're using 40 meters for NVIS, you're going to string your antenna horizontally anyways. So you're going to do the same for 80 meters, and if it's horizontal, height isn't so important. It is important, but not as much as higher frequencies. You're going to have your ground losses, and that's all there is to it. There's not much avoiding that, but you're going to beam up a good signal straight up, which will rain down regionally. And of course the K1 is drifting a little bit, always when you turn it on the first time. And I'm outputting 4 watts here. My battery is a bit down. Let's have a look. Yeah, 11.7. It's not bad. Let's go on automatic. Sounds like that weird noise is gone, so now I can operate on 10.118. There's more people on 10.118, 10.116, 17, that region of the band. I suspect I'll have better luck on 10.118, but it's always easier to answer calls, but we'll see. That guy didn't hear me. Not much luck on 30 meters today. Just yesterday worked much better, but today's a Monday, so I guess people are just at work. I'm going to try something a little crazy though. I just want to see if my auto tuner in the K1 is going to tune my QRP guys tri-band set on 40 meters on the 80 meter band. Unlikely, but hey, gotta try. Alright, I'm just curious, so here I am on 3.560, which is the QRP calling frequency on 80 meters. I doubt it's going to tune, but I just want to see. No luck on that. Oh well. Alright, I got a lot of reports on the reverse beacon network, so I know my radio is transmitting fine, and I just have to test it now on 80 meters, which I haven't done. Next weekend I hope to go up a mountain where there is an old military installation and maybe operate 80 meters. Now that would have to be at night or late evening, so I might just stay overnight if I can. Now camping in France is not very easy because they just don't like that, and in many places it's prohibited. Actually a lot of things are prohibited here, so but I'll give it a shot maybe. But I'm not sure if it's going to happen, so don't count on it. But I will try the radio on 80 meters, and for that I want to use the Chameleon Amcom 3 antenna, not the Amcom 3 portable that I've already tested and will test again, but the Amcom 3, the big one, and that should give me a big signal on 80 meters. So that wraps it up for this weekend. Sorry you didn't see much of Italy, but we didn't either, really. It was just one weekend, and we had a nice stay in a nice hotel on the coast, but I didn't get to do much, so that was too short. But I know my K1 works, the 20 and 40 meter filter board works, the 30 and 80 meter filter board works. I just have to test it on 80, and the automatic tuner works. So overall, I'd say that's pretty good. Have a good one.